China Dragon Electronic Industrial Company Limited is a professional PCB manufacturer in Shenzhen of China. With 20 years of development, China Dragon turns into a first-class manufacturer of PCB/PCBA. We offer low-cost and high-quality one-stop PCB assembly services, including component sourcing, function test, conformal coding, and complete assembly for clients all over the world. Our main market is Europe, North USA, Australia, South America, and Asia. Our circuit board assembly services make use of our own PCB manufacturing facility, electronic components procurement team, and PCB assembly factory in Shenzhen, China.
Features of our multi-layer PCB. 1. Quick turn and save your time. 2. High-quality control with certificates ISO 9001, 2015, IATF 16949, ISO 13485, UL, ROHS. 3. 100% AOI and electrical test before shipment. 4. All manufacturing process at house. 5. Advanced and high capabilities to meet your goals. 6. Rich experience in serving customers from auto, communication, system control, etc.
According to the customer's requirements. Millions of circuit boards are produced here every year, which provides superior service for automotive electronics, medical electronics, power communications, industrial automation, intelligent home, and other industries around the world. We will continue to improve our quality and service, customer satisfaction, and development of science and technology are our eternal motivation. We have profuse experience in manufacturing PCB and PCBA. China Dragon PCB daily capacity is 2,000 square meters. We can deliver the single-sided, double-sided PCB sample within 24 hours, 4 to 8 layer PCB in 3 to 5 working days for the batch quantity for double-side PCB. The lead time is 3 to 5 working days, 4 to 8 layers is 5 to 8 days. The quick and fast lead time stably ensures our customer of quick research speed to occupying the market. Prototype PCB assembly also is our specialty. With our professional soldering technicians, SMT process engineers, and component procurement specialists, we can provide an affordable, highly flexible assembly process with fast.
China Dragon benefits of HDI PCBs manufacturing with China Dragon. 1. Shorter PCB manufacturing, time to market, and enhanced machine performance for flip chip, BGA, AMCM, SiP technologies. 2. Ultra-thin cords, fine line geometries, and alternative via methods for improved thermal transfer for thermal PCBs. 3. In compliance with 20 circuit geometries, 30 dielectric layers, 50 laser vias, and 125 pump pitch processing.
China Dragon will continue to maintain the refined management mode, further improve the management mechanism, and strive to create better quality, higher-end products. At the same time, make the company continue to develop in a better direction. We have a global sales team available to assist you with PCB manufacturing and PCB assembly services. Send your PCB files to get better price now. Please send the medical projects information to our email now. Our email, pcba@china-dragons.com.